नमस्कार विद्यार्थियों। आज मैं आपको दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा शिक्षा मंत्रालय द्वारा भेजी गई वर्कशीट को करवा रही हूँ। वर्कशीट नंबर 38। तो इस वर्कशीट को कक्षा 10 की यह वर्कशीट हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से रिलेटेड ये हमारे पास लेसन है। तो आपने अपने दैनिक जीवन में बहुत सारी चीजों को देखा होगा। देखिए, ये हमारे पास एक दीवार है और ये हमारे पास जमीन है और ये सीढ़ी जो है वो दीवार के साथ लगी हुई है। तो ये हमारे पास समकोण बनाती है, 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है, राइट एंगल बनाती है। इसी तरह अगर एक व्यक्ति किसी पेड़ को देख रहा है तो यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ से इसकी दूरी और ये पेड़ की हाइट, तो यहाँ पर जो है 90 डिग्री का कोण बन रहा है। इसी तरह एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं। और अगर कोई व्यक्ति यहाँ से, ये बोट है, बोट से इस मीनार की तरफ देख रहा है तो यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री का राइट एंगल समकोण बन रहा है। इसी तरह कोई व्यक्ति नीचे से, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ दो बोट्स को देख रहा है तो यहाँ पर भी 90 डिग्री का कोण बन रहा है। तो यहाँ पर राइट एंगल जो है, इससे रिलेटेड आपने आपने जो डेली लाइफ की एग्जांपल्स देखी। अब हमारे पास एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन के बारे में हम जानकारी लेते हैं। एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, व्हेन ए पर्सन लुक्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, then the angle of the side or to of object and horizontal line of the side makes an angle. This angle is called the angle of elevation. Now here our example is, यहाँ पर एक लड़का है, वो इस साइड की तरफ देख रहा है। तो यहाँ से वो देख रहा है तो ये इसको हम लाइन को हॉरिजेंटल लाइन कहेंगे। और जहां से वो काइट की तरफ देख रहा है, इस ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ देख रहा है, दैट इज द लाइन ऑफ स्ट्रेट। तो यहाँ पर जो एंगल बनता है, इस एंगल को हम एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कहेंगे। The angle of elevation is formed when we look up and it is higher above the horizontal line. Now, our next is angle of depression. When a person looks an object downward, then the line of sight of an object and horizontal line of the sight make an angle. This angle is called the angle of depression. यहाँ पर देखो, ये बिल्डिंग है, बिल्डिंग के ऊपर कोई व्यक्ति खड़ा है। अगर वो कार की तरफ देख रहा है तो ये ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ देख रहा है। तो यहाँ से वो देख रहा है तो दैट इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को देख रहा है दैट इज द लाइन ऑफ साइट, और जो एंगल बन रहा है दैट इज द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन। Now this angle, so the angle of depression is formed when we look down at an object and this is higher below the horizontal line. Now the next is, in the previous section we have already learned that the side opposite to angle B. Now here is angle B, its opposite side, that is the AC. So that is AC and is called side opposite to angle BAC, that is called the horizontal line. So that is called the hypotenuse. Thus, side adjacent to angle C is called. Now here the angle C and its adjacent the side, that is the BC, that is called base. Now the side opposite to angle C. Now here that is the angle C, its opposite side is AB, that is called perpendicular. Now, how do we solve the question? First we draw the figure according to the question and make an angle, point and measure as above. Use the applicable ratios, sine, cos, tan, etc. and to find the unknown measure and you solve this question. Now, write the difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now, angle of elevation. When a person looks an object upward, that is called angle of elevation. Now angle of depression, when a person look an object downward, that is called the angle of depression. Now angle of elevation, it is above the horizontal line, and angle of depression, it is below the horizontal line. Now the next question is, name the angle formed between the tower and the ship as shown in this figure, image number 3 of this example. Now here, now this is the tower and this is the ship. Now here, this is the angle. Now this is called the angle of elevation because we look upward direction. Now next is draw the figure of the following statement with the proper labeling. From the point 60 meter above the sea level, the angle of elevation of the cloud is beta and angle of depression of its shadow in the sea is alpha. Then height of the cloud is 580 meter. Now you have to take now the from a point 65 meter above the sea level. Now you have to take, this is the sea level. Now this is the point 65 meter above the sea level. So this is the point A, that is the 65 meter above the sea level. Angle of elevation of the cloud is beta. Now here is cloud. So angle of elevation, that is equal to beta. And the angle of depression of the shadow of the sea is alpha. Now here is the cloud and that is its shadow. Now that is the angle of depression, that is equal to alpha. The height of the cloud is 580 meters. Now here this is the cloud and its height, that is equal to total height, that is equal to 580 meters. I think so you must understand this question. Thank you. Hello students, today's our worksheet number 39, that is related to the problem base of the height and distance. The angle is 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Now we have to solve some questions. Now you have to already know that draw the label and the figure as per the details given. Now you have to given objects, that is tower and tree. The side's base is equal to 40 meter and angle of depression is equal to 30 degree, and you have to find the angle of elevation. Now we have to draw, this is the tower and this is the tree and its base is equal to 40 meter. Now here BC, that is equal to base 40 meter, and angle of depression from the tower, we see the top of the tree, its angle of depression is equal to 30 degree. Then its angle of elevation, that is also 30 degree, that makes an alternate interior angle. So that is the figure of the first. Second here, the wall and the ladder. Now you have to given this is wall and this is the ladder. Now in this triangle ABC, now you have to given hypotenuse is equal to 10 meter. This is the hypotenuse AC 10 meter. You have to find the angle of depression when angle of elevation is given to you 60 degree. Now here this angle BAC, that is the angle of elevation, that is 60 degree. Then angle of depression, that is also 60 degree. These are the alternate interior angles. So the answer is 60 degree. Child and a kite. Now here you have to given this child and this is the kite. Now this is kite given to you. Height is equal to 80 meter. The height of the kite, the side of triangle. Now here this is the side of triangle, that is equal to 80 meter, that is given to you. And angle of depression, you have to find angle of elevation, that is equal to 45 degree. Here this is the angle of elevation, that is equal to 45 degree. Then angle of depression, that is also 45 degree. Now the next question is example number 1. The angle of depression of the foot of the tree from the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the distance of the foot of the tree from the base of the tower. Now you have to given this is the AB is the tower and this is a tree and this is its foot. Now you have to given height of the tower is 30 meter and angle of elevation, the angle of depression, sorry, you have to give an angle of depression. This is the XAC, that is equal to 30 degree. Now this angle is 30 degree, then this angle is also 30 degree. These are the alternate interior angle. So you have to find the distance of the foot of the tree from the base of the tower. You have to find BC. Now you know that BC over AB, base over perpendicular, that is equal to cot, here angle is 30 degree, that is cot of 30 degree. So BC, the value of AB, that is equal to 30. Now you know that cot of 30 degree is equal to under root 3. So you have to put the value of cot of 30, that is equal to under root 3. So you get BC is equal to 30 under root 3 meter. So the distance is 30 under root 3 meter. Now, you also observe that when B is equal to P, then theta is 45 degree. Now, here we have to take this right angle triangle. Then we have to right angle triangle. This is this angle that is equal to 90 degree. Then other two angle must be the 45 degree. Then base is equal to perpendicular. Now, if you take base is equal to 1 unit and perpendicular that is also 1 unit, then its hypotenuse is under root 2 unit. Now, when base is greater than P, then theta is equal to 30 degree. Now, here base, you have to take AB base and BC, that is equal to perpendicular. Here base is greater than perpendicular. So here base angle is 30 degree and other angle here is 60 degree. So when we take, then AB is equal to under root 3 and BC is equal to 1 unit and AC is equal to 2 units. Now when B is less than P, now then theta is equal to 60 degree. B is less than P. Now here base and this is the perpendicular. Here base is less than perpendicular. Then theta is equal to 60 degree. You have to take base is equal to 1 unit and perpendicular under root 3 and hypotenuse is under root 2. Then what we implies? We observe that in 45 degree, now this is the 45 degree, here hypotenuse is equal to under root 2 times base and hypotenuse is equal to under root 2 times perpendicular. Now when theta is equal to 30 degree, when theta 30 degree, that means base is greater than perpendicular. Then hypotenuse, this hypotenuse that is equal to under root 3, hypotenuse is equal to 2 times perpendicular, and so 2 times perpendicular, and base is equal to, this is the base that is equal to under root 3 times perpendicular. Now when theta is equal to 60 degree, this when B is less than P, then we observe that hypotenuse is equal to 2 times base and perpendicular is equal to under root 3 times base. So what we get, the sides of the, when the value of theta, then sides of the right angle triangle are the ratios. When the value is theta, then base is theta is equal to 30 degree, then base is equal to under root 3, perpendicular is 1 unit and hypotenuse is 2 unit. When theta is equal to 45 degree, then base is equal to 1 unit and perpendicular is equal to 1 unit and hypotenuse is equal to under root 2. And when theta is equal to 60 degree, then base is equal to 1 and perpendicular is equal to under root 3 and hypotenuse is equal to 2. Now, we have to given the example number 2. Two poles of the equal heights are standing the opposite each other on the either side of the road, which is the 80-meter wide. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole from a points between them on the road are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. Now you have to find BO distance and OD distance and height of the pole AB and CD. In this question, you have to find that thing. Now, you have to given that BD is equal to 80 meter. You take OB is equal to X meter. Then OD is equal to 80 minus X. Now, take AB is equal to CD is equal to H units. Now in right angle triangle ABO, now perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of theta. Here theta is 60 degree. You know that tangent of 60 is equal to under root 3. So AB is equal to H and BO is equal to X. Then H over X is equal to under root 3. Then H is equal to under root 3X. Now, next we take the right angle triangle CDO. Now, in this right angle triangle, then CD over OD perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 30 degree. Here we get CD. Here CD that is equal to H meter and OD is equal to 80 minus H, that is equal to tangent 30. You know that tangent of 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. So you substitute these values. Now you have to cross multiply. So you get under root. So you get that is under root of 3h. Sorry, you have to given that value of h is equal to under root 3x. You have to substitute this value. So you get this under root 3x is equal to 80 minus x is equal to 1 by root 3. Now you have to cross multiply. Then you get this is 3x is equal to 80 minus x. So you get taking x to the right hand side, you get 4x is equal to 80, then value of x is equal to 80 by 4, that is equal to 20 meter. So we get OD distance, OB distance, that is equal to 20 meter, and OD distance 80 minus 20, that is equal to 60 meter. Now putting the value of x in first, so value of h is equal to under root 3x. Now x is equal to 20 meter. So हमारे पास AB is equal to CD, that is equal to 20 under root 3 meter. Now the example number 3. A statue which is the x meter tall stands on the top of the 100 meter long pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 60 meter, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 meter. Find the height of the pedestal. Now you have to given this BC, that is equal to 100 meter, and that is the pedestal, and CD, that is the statue. Let us suppose that is the x meter. Now in right angle triangle ABC, now this is the right angle triangle. Now AB over BC, base over perpendicular, that is equal to cot, and angle is 45 degree, that is equal to cot 45 degree. So you get AB over BC cot 45, that is equal to 1. So AB is equal to BC, the value of BC, that is equal to 100 meter. Now you have to take the right angle triangle ABD. Now in this right angle triangle, this is BD, over AB perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 60 degree. Now here angle is 60 degree. So here BD, that is equal to 100 plus x over AB. The value of AB, that is equal to 100, tangent of 60, you know that tangent of 60, that is equal to under root 3. So you have to substitute this value. So we get 100 plus x is equal to 100 under root 3. Now taking 100 to the right hand side, you get x is equal to 100 minus under root of 3 minus 1. So height of the statue AB, that is equal to 100 into under root 3 minus 1 meter. Now the next question is, find the height of the building as shown in this figure. Now you have to given this figure ABC, and here AB is the height of the building. Now you have to find this height of the building. Now you have given that BC is equal to 50 meter and angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Now AB over BC perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 60 degree. So AB, here the value of BC is equal to 50 meter, you substitute it. So you get AB is equal to 50 under root 3 meter. Now the next question is question number 2. A child is watching a bird on a tree. The angle of elevation of his or her sight is 45 degree. The child is 1.5 meter tall. Find the height of the tree when the distance between the foot of the tree and child on the ground is 30 meter. Now you have to given this is the child, that is the 1.5 meter tall, and that this is the AB is the AD is the tree, and you have to given BE is equal to BD, BC, that is equal to 30 meter, that is the distance between the boy and the tree, and you have to given angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Now in right angle triangle ABC, now you have to find this AB. So you get AB over BC perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 45 degree. So you get AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to 30, tangent 45, that is equal to 1. So you get AB is equal to 30 meter. Sorry, you get AB is equal to 30 meter. Now you have to find the height AD, that is the height of the tree, that is equal to AB plus BD. Now here AB, that is equal to 30 meter, and BD, that is the height of the child, that is equal to 1.5 meter. 30 plus 1.5, you get 31.5 meter, that is the height of the tree. Now the next question is, the angle of depression of the car parked on the ground from the top of the 45 meter high tower is 30 degree. Find the distance of the car from the base of the tower. Now here you have to given AB, that is the tower, and C is the position of the car. Now AB is equal to 45 meter and angle of depression, angle XAC, that is given to you 30 degree, and you know that this angle is equal to this angle. These are the alternate interior angles. So angle XAC is equal to ACB, that is equal to 30 degree. Now you have to take in right angle triangle AB over BC perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 30 degree. AB, that is equal to 75, BC tangent of 30, its value is 1 by under root 3, taking under root 3 to right hand side. So 75 under root 3 meter, that is the distance between the tower and the car. I think so you must understand. If you have any problem, then you can say me. Thank you.